Welcome to today's job circular. Today we'll discuss about MH Group of Companies job circular. MH Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing business conglomerates in Bangladesh in real estate and government sector. So if you want to do job in this government sector, you can apply here. So let's talk about the position. The position is executive, senior executive, sales and marketing. Number of vacancies not allowed. That means they didn't disclose that. Job description or responsibilities must be capable to achieve respective sales targets, identify and establish contact with potential customers, excellent communication skills, maintain sales willingness to work beyond general working hours, any assignment assigned by the superior authority. Job nature full time, educational qualification, graduate, postgraduate in any discipline, experience 1 or 2 years experience in sales and marketing. Salary is negotiable. Other benefits as per company policy. Job location is Dhaka. So if you want to stay in Dhaka or the people lives in Dhaka, they can apply here without any hesitation. The apply instructions is send your resume to career at mhgroup.com.bd. So I hope you got this email address career at mhgroup.com.bd or submit your resume along with 2 copies of recent passport size color photograph and copy of national ID card to Executive Director, MH Group of Companies. The address is given here and the website is mhgroup.com.bd. This is a circular from bdjobs.com. You can also see this circular from bdjobs.com by searching MH Group. So dear candidates, if you want to apply here, you can apply as soon as possible. The last date is given here, that is June 20, 2021. So if you want to apply before June 2021. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon with the next job circular.